How to fix TranslucentTB not working on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix TranslucentTB not working on your Windows 11. It's super simple, so let's get started. In order to proceed, you need to head over to your browser. Now that you're in the browser, in the search bar, you need to type 52. Once you are done that, you need to go ahead and click on the first link that appears from github.com. Simply go ahead and click on that. Now that you are here, you need to scroll down, and in the asset section, you need to simply go ahead and install this 5-tool zip. Now, you need to simply go ahead and select where you want to install this. Here, I'll be selecting download, so simply go ahead and click on save. Now, as you can see that the zip file is now saved, we need to go ahead and create a new folder where we can extract this file. So simply head over to your Windows C. Then you can simply go ahead and create a new folder over here. You need to go ahead and name the folder Z5. Now, once you are done, you need to simply go ahead and find the zip file that we have downloaded before. Now, you need to simply right click on it, and from here you need to click on extract all. Now, this will ask you to select a destination and extract file. Simply go ahead and click on browse. From here, go to your Windows C, and here make sure to click on the folder that you have created before, and then click on select folder. Then you need to simply go ahead and click on extract. Now, once you are done, we need to go ahead and run some command in the command box. In order to do that, you need to simply go ahead and press Windows R. This will open a run box, and from here you need to enter CMD. This will open the command prompt. Now that you are here, you need to go ahead and enter following command first. Simply go ahead and copy the command and then go ahead and enter it. Then you need to press enter. Now make sure that this pops up. Now you need to go ahead and enter the second command over here. Simply copy this and then go ahead and paste the command and then press enter. Now all you have to do is you need to go ahead and restart your computer, and this will help you solve the error. And that's it for today. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.